If you're a video editor and your plan for 2026 is just to get better at editing, this video might save you years. I've been studying creators, AI tools, editors, and the pattern is very clear. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you why most editors are going to stay broke in 2026 and what exactly I'm doing instead. The first reason most editors stay broke is simple. They approach like freelancers, not professionals. Most editors still send their portfolio through a Google Drive link. And I'll be honest, that's the worst way to present your work in 2026. Instead, you need one simple portfolio website. You don't need coding or money, you just need simple tools like Emergent and Aura. Open Emergent, describe your editing style, color tones, type of clients you want to work with. The AI will ask navigation structure, CTA style, WhatsApp contact, about section details. Your work is simple. Upload your previous work files, answer the question, and the AI will generate your website in minutes. If you want changes like editing the layout, choosing the font, improving sections, just prompt the AI and it will do it for you. I've added a ready to use portfolio prompt in the description which you can use and create a high-end website. Check it out in the description. This step alone increases trust, improves client perception, separates you from most editors. Step number 2. When your client opens your portfolio website and he sees this goofy shit, he's definitely going to back out. You need minimum 2 to 3 decently edited samples. And so you don't spend the next 48 hours trying to make those edits, I'm going to make your work easier so you cut your editing time into half. Tool number 1. Paper Animator. Use Paper Animator to create text match cuts easily. This instantly makes your edits look structured and balanced. Tool number 2. Sound effects. Most important. Sound effects are the soul of your video. If you don't have the right one, you can turn an Iman Ghazi level edit into a literal $2 edit. I've handpicked the best sound effects from Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is paid, but once I've downloaded the sound effects, they are mine. I've placed them in a Google Drive so you can access them for free. Check out the description. Tool number 3. Motion Graphics Advanced. Use tools like VO 3.1 to create high-end motion graphics and overlays for your videos. I'll be uploading a dedicated video on this soon, so stay tuned. Step 3. Package-based pricing that actually converts. Never send a random number. Clients don't understand 10k per video, but they do understand packages. So structure your pricing like this. For example, we are taking short form content. Silver, editing plus captions. Gold, editing plus captions plus revisions plus motion graphics. Diamond, editing plus graphics. Editing plus captions plus hooks plus revisions plus motion graphics. Now comes the pricing part. Silver is intentionally basic. In fact, clients can almost do it themselves. So we price it very low, around rupees 100 per video. Diamond delivers the most value, so we price it high, around rupees 500 per video. Then comes gold. This is the chocolate boy. We price it in the middle, around rupees 300 per video. Now the client compares. Silver feels too basic. Diamonds feels a bit too expensive. Gold feels like the most sensible decision. This alone can put your conversion rate up to 80%. Do these 3 things. Present yourself properly. Show clean and sellable work. And price with psychology. By doing this, you stop chasing clients and clients start choosing you. If you're a video editor who wants to stay relevant, earn better, and be among the top category of video editors, subscribe. I'm documenting this in real time.